Hey guys, we are back. This has been ages, but this is the Otaku box. I finally took the plunge, checked my emails, and these guys, Liz, at the Otaku box, I don't know if it's a real name or not, but since May of 2019 has been flooding my inbox with this goddamn thing. Ever since I showed any interest in this thing with some anime box. And I think I saw an ad on Facebook, and I was like, yeah, fuck, let's see what this is about. And I've been constantly, so finally got an important message about my subscription. So I finally took the plunge, 18th of October, subscribed to the Otaku box. Let's have a look at this thing. It tells you about the order, when it'll be placed. If you subscribe by the end of the month, some sort of BS thing. Your card was charged, as I say, $56.93, and you'll be charged on the first of each month for this box. Don't forget you can earn referral links and all sort of stuff as well. And this is also from apparently Liz. Terms of the offer, membership cancellation, all sort of stuff here. The policy, when you cancel your Otaku box, blah, blah, blah. So finally, this is now December, so just in time for Christmas, I finally got this thing shipped out. So let's have a look, because I spent $56 on a box, and hopefully there's some good stuff in it, and I can get something of any decency, because I'm always against these goddamn fucking loot boxes and these surprise boxes. But I said, fuck it, man, you know what, if these guys have been so persistent, let's just take the plunge. Anyway, box is not sealed, so I received it in a packaging, like just like a plastic sort of thing. I haven't opened it yet. Just some artwork on the side. Apart from that, it's a plain box. There's a QR code about some decide the fate of next month's loot. So I'm going to open it up, and I was meant to get a extra bonus figurine or something. Oh shit! Oh, might have to hide that shit. But yeah, I got ourselves this thing here, which is a if you don't know what this is, brilliant anime. I don't know what people have anything against it, but you know, that time I was reincarnated as a slime, so I got an ecchi, I said it's more like a hentai waifu. It's a playing card thing, but yeah, it says in the back limited edition Otaku box. So yeah, so the slime little card there, so I'll put that to one side. Oh shit, that looks a bit sort of hentai-ish as well. Yep. I know what this is. This is I think this figurine, this little character, is from How Not to Train, or How Not to something about a dungeon. Fuck man, my mind got blank. How Not to something about a fucking dungeon. I don't know. I lost interest in it. Dan Machi, I want to say. I don't know, man. Exclusive keyring thing there. I don't know why we stick this, but yeah, if you want to be out there, you've showing got boobs. I'm just covering up with some thumbs up. Yeah. A bit raunchy there. Got ourselves this character here as well. So this is a Rin. Where's Rin from? Rin from where? So it's like Christmas themed figurine. Let's have a look at the Rin here. The figurine's pretty small, so it's a tiny little Christmas themed figurine of Rin. Is that it? I would have thought it would be a bigger figurine, but spending $56, I can't justify it. I really so far cannot justify it. Anyway, let's look what this thing is. This is a liquid silicone. What is this? So this has like a foldable sort of cup. Yeah, a coffee box. What is this? Actually fucking knows. Alright, let's have a look here. So, okay, I think it is. I think it pushes out. Yep. Okay, yeah, it is. It's one of those little things here. So yeah, folds in, goes in like so. This goes on top of it like this, I suppose, just to stop you from squeezing it out. But yeah, little sippy cup drinks thing from branded with the Otaku box. So yeah, promoting more of your stuff. Yes. The whole point of buying this is for the figurines. I paid extra for a Wii Scribbling figurine which hasn't arrived. Where is it? It's cool little one. I might actually rub this off and put a sticker over it. I use that myself. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright. Oh shit. Oh, okay, that's a bit rude. More on the sense of this strap as well. Oof. Oof, okay. Alright, okay. Okay, I don't know what anime this is. That's the character, and I just leave it, and her breasts are being shown, so yeah. Let's just try and make this halal as possible, I guess. Or her vagina is being shown as well. Okay, this is crazy. Let's just put this away. Oh shit. Okay, we've got this thing here. What is this? Limited edition Otaku box, and it's a coin. Fate Stay Night. Is that Saber? Yeah, it is Saber. Oh shit. Fuck. She's getting slippery now. Okay, got that thing. Got a bunch of these stickeroos. Let's open this up. See what we've got here. We've got a Rengoku. I forgot this guy's name. You and that other butterfly thing. Inosuka. Some Hashiras there as well. Toshiro. That's pretty cool. Little stickers here. Nezuko. Oh, I do actually like these. Are pretty cool, but I'm paying this much for this. This would be cool. I might use this as like decorations, and God knows what I'm gonna put them on, man. But yeah, but this is cool. That is cool. It's cool. It's nice. Then I actually bought another thing as well. I bought some sort of collage thing that I found online to decorate my wall, like black and white. It looks pretty sick. But these are cool little stickers here. Reminds me, Demon Slayer season 2 out. Oh yeah, I'll wait for the next episode for that thing. Can you spell with 2 U's or just 1 U? And then Nezuko. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep these. These might come in handy for God knows what. But maybe a MacBook or something. Little sticker. I might do that actually. That'd be cool, just like freshen it up. Add a cool little design that I'm gonna put on that thing. Yeah, might not actually use the adhesive, but just like leave them in there and then put like a plastic shell on the outside to hold them in place. And I can just swap them out whenever. So there, this is for November. So yeah, it says win, prize figure. Then you get the tactile cup, sticker pack from Demon Slayer, the acrylic stand. Oh, there's an acrylic stand. It is indeed an acrylic stand. It's so fun. Here's the Otaku box. So this apparently is Liz. I didn't know that. But it's an acrylic stand. Demon Slayer sticker pack. Artwork for Merlin. Oh right, Merlin from 7 Deadly Sins. Okay, coming up next month. Vanessa or Mitsui? Definitely Mitsui. I actually picked up a cool Mitsui figurine. Mini figurine itself. Then you got Etchy Toons you can pick up as well. Naughty Manager you can't. Alright, cool. This. I swear I paid for an extra bonus little thing which hasn't come through, which I'm not happy about. And I reach out to these guys and say, where the f is my little figurine? I paid extra for this thing. Where is it? Anyway, that's been this little unboxing. It's been interesting. I might just put the stuff back in for now. I'll keep this little Demon Slayer stuff. I might just stick some in my bag and just use this when I'm YouTube. Little claps will tap. And this, I wasn't happy. It's only $56. Is it worth it? Is this Rin figure really worth it? Would you spend $56 on this? I don't know. Tell me what you think. If you check out this video, was it a good idea for me to take the plunge again and buy yet another loot thing for $56? Oh my days. Anyway, this has been Ace. like, subscribe, help me with that unboxing, and yeah, as always, peace out.